Welcome back to another Google AdMob developer tutorial. Today I'll be walking you through your AdMob mediation results for bidding ad sources and how to debug any errors associated with them. Let's start in the SDK request log where we are inspecting an ad request that has bidding ad sources configured. To see more detailed bidding results for a specific request, tap the menu icon and select View All Bidders. The bidding details include ad sources that participated in the auction winner, and the reasons behind any unsuccessful bids. For this example, I just added a new bidding ad source, and I want to test that it's working for my home screen banner ad. Opening Ad Inspector, the first thing I'm doing is navigating to the Adapters tab to confirm my adapter, the Brontosaurus network, was initialized successfully. It is, but however, when clicking into the ad unit and viewing all bidders, I noticed the Brontosaurus network wasn't participating in the auction to fill the ad request. So the next ad inspector tool to use is the third-party bidding parameter. Use this to check if your bidding ad sources are present in the request and the signals are being collected. It's empty. So this may happen if you forgot to associate the ad source with your ad unit in the AdMob UI. Let me open up the AdMob UI and check if my home screen ad unit is indeed configured for the Brontosaurus network. And we can see the ad unit is correctly configured. So back to the app, if in-context testing isn't working, the next step is to try out-of-context testing. And now my bidding ad source is participating in the auction, and the third-party bidding parameters are present as expected. If you encounter this scenario, this is a sign of a race condition where the adapter wasn't ready to provide bidding signals when the in-context ad request was made. This can happen if the ad request is made before the adapter is initialized. Out-of-context testing worked because the adapter was initialized by the time I opened Ad Inspector. My app can afford to wait a couple seconds for the initial ad to load, so I can fix my issue by requesting the ad after the adapter has been initialized, in the callback of mobileads.initialize. This ensures all bidding ad sources can participate in this request. After resolving the issue in my code, I now see the ad source in the list for my banner ad. It did submit a bid but lost to my other ad source. I want to quickly verify that my ad source can render ads, so I'm going to enable single ad source testing for the Brontosaurus network. I'll restart my app for a clean app environment. And after relaunching my app, I see the ad request was filled. I'll open Ad Inspector to confirm my bidding ad source won the auction. Another potential reason for not seeing bid signals populated is if you're using an older version of an adapter that doesn't support bidding. The SDK recognized bidding was set up for this partner, but was unable to collect signals because the adapter didn't implement signal collection bidding. Now that we've covered AdMob mediation bidding results, our next video will focus on debugging privacy signals sent in an ad request. Check out the resources in the description below. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to AdMob for more technical content.